I'm a self-taught amateur, and so can you. Let's learn about ARMA 3 documentation. Documentation is a collection of information about a software program or scripting commands. ARMA 3 has some of the best damn documentation, even better than some professional scripting libraries. Hell, it even has a section describing how to buy the game. Let's take a look in the ARMA 3 editing page on the main BI wiki. Here you'll find links to tutorials, reference lists, guides, and most importantly, the scripting commands library. If you've got some time to kill and you're a nerd, click through some of these categories to get a feel for what kind of commands you can use in your scripts. Or if you're in a rush and you're a nerd, you can always just put a short description of what you want into your favorite search engine, and the relevant scripting command will probably be in the first results. But are you a little baby who is confused by highly technical, confusing reference information? Well, good thing I exist. Let me do you the explain from the top. This tells you about the locality of the command. This tells you what the command does and sometimes contains important information about the command. This is the most important part of the documentation. It tells you how to write the command, what data you need to give it, and what the command will return. But I am a confused little baby, is a thing that you say to me because this is still confusing. But do not worry, it is actually easy when you look with your eyes. First, look at the parameters. This is all the stuff you need to type into the command. Each of these is something that you will have to provide or get from something in your mission. These tell you what data type to use if you are unfamiliar with the given data type. Because you are a little baby, you can just click the link and do some learning. This will give a brief description of what you should be providing to the command. It will also tell you if the parameter is optional, which means you don't have to provide a value for that parameter if you don't want to. Just remember, if you don't provide an optional parameter, it will use the default value. If you still don't know how to write this command, don't worry. You can just look at some examples in this section. Not only will this show you exactly what you will need to type, you can even copy these and then replace the given parameters with the ones you want to use. Finally, be sure to check the notes section. Very smart people will often add additional context on quirks and common problems of the command. Once you've got what you need for the command, you should also look here for other related commands. Or you can go here to see every command in the same category. Want to learn more? Well, do it yourself, because now you're a self-taught amateur.